Hello and welcome to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck, and today we're making gravy. Best ever fat-free vegan gravy. Matter of fact, this is probably one of the most popular recipes on my website. It is so easy. This will be like the shortest YouTube video you've ever seen. It's that simple. We're going to make some right now. Here we go. Some basic ingredients. We got a little dry mix there. It's just whole wheat flour, some nutritional yeast. We have some wet ingredients. That's Kitchen Bouquet. People ask me about it all the time. That's what it looked like. It's optional. You don't have to use it. Use it for coloring. But there's our dry ingredients. We're going to go into a dry pan. We're going to turn on the heat and just toast it. And you'll know when it's ready. It'll smell like toast is cooking. A couple of minutes. That's all it takes. So give it a good stir and make sure it's all mixed up really good. I'll have all the ingredients in the link below. There's our wet ingredients. They're already mixed together. We're just going to pour that into the dry, just like that. And the rest of this recipe is just stirring. Stir, stir, stir. Let it bubble. It'll thicken up as it goes. It is that simple. There's the Kitchen Bouquet. Again, it's just a browning sauce. It's like a caramel coloring. I think it's vegan caramel. I'm not sure. Don't use much. You can leave it out if you want. And there you go. That's gravy. And it's good on potatoes, it's good on hash browns, it's good on anything you can think of. And I make it all the time. It literally takes like 15-20 minutes to throw together a batch. So there's the video for the week. Hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Be sure and subscribe if you haven't already. You can do that in the links below. Again, I'll have the entire recipe down there with it. And until next week, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.